Hello everyone, it's Friday evening. Marius is still in meetings, but I think in a couple of hours we will be free to go. This weekend we are going outside London. I have to pack and I have almost all the stuff that I want to take with me, such as makeup and skincare, and I said that I should quickly show you what I actually take with me when I go on a trip. Not actually a holiday, because it's gonna be only for a few days. We will be away only for a few days, but it's still very exciting. So yeah, let me show you what I got. I do love to have everything I need with me, but in the same time I don't want to take too many products. Always make sure that I have the travel size. If I don't have the travel size, then I would have those recipients, travel recipients, that basically allow me to take a small amount of product with me. Let me show you what I've selected to take with me this time. Here I have the skincare, here I have the makeup products, a few essentials right over there, and here I have the bags that I'm planning to basically keep all of this stuff. I love these so much. They were super cheap. I got them from Savers. I think I paid less than £2 on each, and I love them because they're transparent, and I love so much to find everything that I'm looking for super fast and super easy. And I also have these two makeup bags, which I love. I absolutely love both of them. This one is Laura Mercier, and this one, yes, it's from NARS. I'm gonna start with the skincare first. I have here makeup cloth, which is from Magneton. I love this one so much. It's machine washable, and you can use it for 1,000 times if I'm not wrong. It feels so soft. I've been using it for such a long time and it still looks so good. I can remove my makeup very easily with it. I'm using this one for a while now, the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, normal to oily skin, and guys, I can't tell you how much I love it. It makes such a huge difference, and it's one of the foaming cleansers which has such a good price, and in the same time makes such a huge difference because my skin, it's actually cleaned, you know, and feels so nice and soft after I'm using it. Then I have this serum, which again, it's CeraVe, which again, I love it so much. Hydrating hyaluronic acid serum. This one I'm using it in the morning and in the evening before I'm applying the moisturizer. As a moisturizer in the morning, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which is one of my loves. I love this cream so much. God, I can't even tell you how excited I was to start using it for the very first time. And now I have it in travel size, and I'm taking it with me because it's so good. When it comes to the moisturizer that I'm using in the night, I'm using the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion, which is for normal to dry skin and has so many good ingredients. Now I'm one of those persons which loves to use a good eye cream, and this one is something that I've started to use recently. I think I have only 2 weeks or something like that, but I love so much how the skin feels around the eyes each time I'm applying it. So I'm using it in the morning and in the evening as well. I rotate my product, my skincare products, so I'm not using it every day, but I decided to take it with me. If I will decide to do the eye makeup, I just want to make sure that I have the Garnier Micellar Water Cleanse and Glow, because it's so good and it's perfect if you also have sensitive skin. Last but not least, I mean, it's not the last one, this one is something that I was so curious about it because I always have the same problem with dry lips, and this is delicious, and this also makes a huge difference when it comes to my lips, because they feel hydrated, but in the same time it's also exfoliating them. So yeah, definitely such a good option. And as I said, SPF, I'm not going anywhere without SPF. I'm applying SPF even when I'm staying inside, and yes, I'm applying SPF 50. You don't have to apply SPF 50. You can use SPF 15 or SPF 20 when you are staying inside, but please guys, make sure that you apply SPF. Okay, now moving on to the makeup products, I have my absolute love, the Skincare in Glow foundation from Givenchy. is the foundation that I'm applying on a daily basis. I love this one more than I love applying CC cream, to be honest. I love that it's long lasting, I love that it's easy buildable, I love that it's beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous. Another good option would be the foundation from Estée Lauder, but that one has a little bit more coverage than this one. So if you would love to go for a foundation that is high coverage, medium to high coverage, again wonderful finish, then I really recommend you to go for that one because it's also super long lasting. And if you'll be interested in a foundation that it's more similar to a CC cream, then I would definitely suggest you to have a look at this one. A little bit goes a long way. I know it's a little bit pricey, but you'll fall in love with it because also has so many skincare ingredients and will help your skin to look very soft, very hydrated. Oh my god, I'm talking so much about this foundation, but I love it so much and I'm not paid to say anything, any good things about it. Okay, let's move on with the rest of the makeup products now. What do I have here? I have Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. This is such a beautiful shade which looks so good on my skin. I also got the matte Putty Primer, which I love so much. I know I have an obsession for this Anastasia product. This is the medium brown brow powder duo. I always use it when it comes to do my eyebrows. And I have the concealer and I decided to go for the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I love so much the finish. I love so much how it looks during the day. So yeah, this is a good one, and I'm using the shade Light Honey 13.5. Then I have this powder from Laura Mercier, which is the Secret Brightening Powder for Under Eyes. Now mascara. Good mascara is this one from e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. Probably I won't be doing my makeup, but just in case, because I wanted to be sure that I have everything I need, I decided to take with me this eye sticks. I think they're called Magnetic Luminous Eye Color from Nude Sticks. They are so pigmented and they look so good on the skin, and they are so long lasting. And I also decided to take with me the this palette from e.l.f. because it's super small. The colors are super beautiful as well, pigmented, but in the same time you can blend them very easily. I also took the H2O proof eyeliner pen from e.l.f. I love it so much because it's so long lasting and it's so easy to work with it. Just make sure you shake it before you apply it. I took Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This one is Iconic Nude, if I'm not wrong. As you can see, I love using it. It's only a little bit left. The Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlighting Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows it. I love taking it with me because basically you have 2-in-1, the bronzer, also the highlight, and it's super comfortable to take it with you everywhere. And because I love it, you know that I'm obsessed with the Charlotte Tilbury products. And I also have some brushes, and I'm using this Brushworks. The Brushworks, I don't know how to call this. How do you call this? Makeup brush holder or something like that. I don't know what's the right name of it. I love it so much. They kindly gifted me some of their brushes, and those brushes, I think I have it. Yeah, I have one with me. I love because they are so different. They look so special and they are so soft, and you can easily work with them because they are not heavy. They also have the right size, you know, for a makeup artist. It's very important to have a brush which is not too heavy, because if you will be blending all day long and if you will be using a brush which is too heavy, then you know you'll be doing cardio. Yeah, so I got a few brushes with me as well. This one is for the eye makeup, just in case I'm gonna be doing any makeup on these days. And I also got a brush to do my eyebrows. The I think this one is Zoeva. Let me see. Yes, the Eva 317, which I absolutely love. Let me show you the brush for powder. Is this one from Nastelle, from the Red Vamp collection. I think this is how it's called. I love their brushes. This one is from Glitter. This is a brand from Romania, which I absolutely love. Can't wait to go home back to Romania and buy a few more brushes from them, because they are absolutely beautiful, and you can do the face contour, you can do the you can apply the powder, the blush, and so on. They have so many good options, and they last so well during the years. I have this one for more than 3 years. I don't even know how much time it's been since I bought it. And I also have this one from Morphe, which is an eye brush as well, but I love using it to apply a little bit of highlight right over here on my eyebrows. Oh my god, I can't keep the camera, so I'm really sorry about the shaking. And I have one more brush. This one is from Morphe, is the M158, which I love using it to do my eyebrows as well. So yeah, that's it. I forgot about this. I always make sure that I have them with me. I'm not using them to remove my makeup, just in case anyone is wondering about this. I don't like to remove my makeup with wipes, with wet wipes, because I don't like it. My skin doesn't like it. And yeah, that's almost all I'm gonna take with me. Now I want to choose some clothes. I don't know if there's something else I should show you. I'm gonna take my hairbrush as well. I do love to have a good hairbrush with me, even though I'm not brushing my hair each day, but when I'm away, I'm doing it. I wanna do it. I can't actually believe that I forgot to show you this. I'm in love with this body lotion from L'Occitane. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have it in a bigger size as well. This has been in my life, I don't even know for how much time, and I've been using it since forever, because I love so much the texture. I love so much that it's super lightweight. I love so much how fast it gets absorbed into the skin, and I love so much how delicious it smells like. So if you guys are looking for a good body moisturizer, then I really suggest you to have a look at this one. Okay, so yeah, this is almost everything. I hope this is almost everything, but if I'll find something else that I forgot to show you while we are there, I'm gonna show it to you at that moment. Now I should start packing because it's almost late. Sorry about the noise. It's Alfred. For those who don't know this, Alfred is our vacuum cleaner. It's cleaning the house. So yeah, see you guys.